Alright, today we're working on this Acura 2004 TL. So when you put it in reverse, he has a clunk. So we're gonna go ahead and see if the motor mounts are bad. So what you do is, you have somebody in the car, and you're gonna check the front one. You put in a drive, press the brake all the way down, and give some gas. So go for it. Press the brake all the way down, and you can see the engine, how the engine moving, not back and forth. Okay. Do it again, put it in the reverse, and do the same thing. So now we're gonna check for the back to see. Look at that, how much is it moving? So we know that back motor mount is bad. Look at that. So this determines we have a problem with this one and the one in the front. So in this case, we're gonna order all of them, and we're gonna replace it. But that's the one way you can check them out. If you don't have nobody to get in the car and do this for you, can always put your phone right here and do it yourself and record it. So if you like the video, please subscribe. We're gonna be doing these motor ones right here. Actually, this is a transmission, so we're gonna change that one, this one, and the back, and that one over there. So probably gonna have videos how to do those. If you like the video, subscribe, like.